the party like we know how to rage. Everybody swing to the beat insane. It don't matter if they come for us, cause we bringing life, yes we dangerous. This is our territory. It's time to tell your story. We wanna be. We wanna be. We wanna be. We wanna be in California, eh? California, that's where I wanna be. California, I'm chasing golden dreams. California, where the vibes are free. California, that's where I wanna be.
California's where I'm living free. It live inside of me, it's where I wanna be. Till I R.I.P. What a sight to see. All the nights I lived a cold life. All the struggles that we go through, but we still strive. Cause at the end of the day, we just living and we learning. We're creating a way to kill the burning. We'll be earning to successfully make at a minimum wage and out of criminal ways. And now it's time to get paid. I just know that we'll be alright. Vibing to the good life, grinding under sunlight. All my people alright. Here in Cali, what a wonderful place. I get love in other states, but I'll never replace
California, that's where I wanna be. California, I'm chasing golden dreams. California, where the vibes are free. California, that's where I wanna be.
Yo, I'm proud to be from a place where you can be free to be who you are, where you can love who you want to love and express yourself. California isn't just a place, it's a mentality, you feel me? It's the hustle, it's the grind, it's the courage to pursue